It all began with the sale of torque wrenches in a small garage. Today, our product range comprises more than 10,000 items, mainly used in the automotive sector, as well as in crafts and industry. Eventually, we left our garage in order to gain more storage space. Falling back on utmost modern innovations, we're well equipped for years to come. Be it our vacuum unloading system, IT-assisted goods registration, or our order picking process at the robot-assisted auto store. We care for our employees' health. In our premises, man and machine operate in harmony. A conscious interaction with the environment is close to our hearts. We value a good relationship, whether it is with our customers, suppliers, or employees. Fair play. That's our philosophy. BGS Technic, quality and service since more than 50 years.